quiet morning city slowly wakes up. A young man walks alone on an empty road. He looks tired and lost in thought. Flash of his past failures appears in memory. People whisper and laugh at him. He walks through a crowd but feels invisible. Negative words echo around his mind. Another attempt ends in failure. He sits alone in darkness. He stares at nothing, emotionally broken. People mock him again. He walks alone at night. He reflects on his life. A small ant appears carrying food. The ant struggles on a wall. It falls, but tries again. The man watches the ant closely. A thought sparks in his mind. Why am I giving up? He thinks. He slowly stands up. He decides to start again. He begins working on his dream. Small improvements start appearing. People laugh at him again. He ignores all distractions. He works late at night. He feels exhausted. He remembers the ant. His determination returns. He keeps pushing forward. Time passes quickly. Progress slowly builds. He becomes more confident. People start noticing him. Some are surprised. His focus becomes stronger. Suddenly, everything collapses. He is shocked and frozen. His hard work seems lost. He sits in silence again. He questions everything. He feels deep pain. Should I quit? He thinks. The ant memory appears in memory again. He finds strength inside. He stands up again. A new beginning starts. He works smarter now. He learns from mistakes. He builds a better plan. Steady progress continues. He improves every day. Confidence grows stronger. People watch him change. Doubt turns into respect. He walks with confidence. Success starts showing. People are amazed. He stays calm and focused. Breakthrough moment begins. Everything finally works. His dream becomes reality. People admire him now. Former mockers stay silent. He remains humble. He remembers his journey. Pain turns into strength. He reflects on failure. Inner peace arrives. Ant memory returns one last time. He smiles softly. Success feels real. Respect surrounds him. He shares his story. People listen carefully. His past self feels distant. Bright future ahead. He walks forward. Golden success moment. Peaceful victory. Calm smile. Admiration from others. Victory symbolism. He looks at horizon. Warm golden light. Life journey reflection. Deep peaceful close-up. Chaos fades away. He stands victorious. Final shot. Walking into light.